So I showed you how to bury wire in the mulch beds. Basically the same idea in the grass. Still using my flat-ended shovel. I just go around and make a little slit in the grass and just lift that grass up. And really, you only need to get the wire deep enough so that it doesn't get hit with an aerator or it doesn't get, cut if you're doing any work. And then once I've gone and dug my slit in the grass, I just take my wire and basically lift up the grass and again push my wire all the way down as deep as I can get it, and then you stomp over it and you can barely even tell we were there.